What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off animations on Galaxy S25 Ultra to make it more responsive. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on VN enhancements and then scroll down, and here you will see a remove animations button. So if you want to remove the animations from your phone, then tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button it will turn off all animations from your phone. So you can see there is no animation. So that's how you can turn off animations on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.